Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you, how to change the device name, on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphones.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
If you were wondering how you can change the name of your Samsung Galaxy M11, this quick video will help you. First, open the Settings application. Scroll down to the bottom and find About Phone. Tap on it. You will see the default name of your phone. Tap the Edit button below. Now enter a name for your smartphone. Then tap on Done. That's it. The phone name has been changed. So in this way, you can change the device name, on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphones. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.